What is up, guys? And we're back in another video. Today, guys, we're gonna be continuing stripping down my LST and cleaning it all up and rebuilding it. So this video we're gonna be finishing disassembling the whole entire truck and working on cleaning it, and then maybe the video after is gonna be reassembly. So yeah, first thing we're just gonna start off with is the shock towers, and yeah, so let's get started. Alright, front shock tower off. Put that to the side. Here's a sway bar for the front. Make sure you don't mix these two up because you might have different shock oils and different presets on your shocks. So yeah, looking under here, looking pretty dirty. I'm gonna take the radio box off. I don't know, but I might not remove the servos because that's gonna be a pain in the butt. So, but I'll take the radio box off to get some dust out of under there. Let's remove the rear shock tower now. Okay, rear's off. Basically what's holding it is these 4 screws right here that go through the top. When you take the wing mount off, it also hooks up to the rears. So yeah, here you go. So this thing's looking pretty bare bones, but there was a lot of dirt under there. We're just gonna take off this cover right here to get onto the side, and we'll just pop these off really quick. These are the steering links. Make sure you don't mix these up too, because that will mess up your alignment. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna mark this one with a Sharpie right on the end, so I know or the little scratch to make sure that this one is the right one, and then here's the left one right here. So yeah, guys, let's go do that. On second thought, we're not removing the radio box. It's too much work to do it, and it's too risky because a lot of these screws right here, that's the only thing I don't like about the LST is that these screws right here that they use are very small Allen head and can get stripped out very easily. So it's not worth it. You're gonna have to remove this whole entire section. So I'm gonna keep that. But this chassis is super light. Basically got to strip down. We're gonna clean this up and then reassemble it. But yeah, guys, this is not the extended version of the chassis. It's just the regular part of the chassis. But yeah, it's very easy to take apart. But yeah, let's go remove this cover and start cleaning the shock towers and everything like that, and we'll do the chassis. Okay, guys, we have the rear shock tower and wing right here with the shocks on it. I'm not taking them off. We can clean them while they're on. If I want to get in there, I can always just take the shock shafts off. But yeah, so here's before. It's kind of dirty, especially back here. Shock shafts dirty. Sorry about the lighting again. It's dark. These are the lights that I got in my garage. In fact, hold on. That's better. There you go. Yeah, now you can see it. It's pretty dirty, but we're gonna fix that. Here's the front shock shaft and shock tower. Yeah, this one isn't that bad, but still can be cleaned up. Alright, guys, let's get on to it. Alright, shock tower's done. Now we gotta do the chassis. Alright, chassis before, absolutely disgusting. Flip it upside down, sides view. Gross. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys, now we're just gonna move everything downstairs. Actually, no. We're gonna spray everything down with WD-40 so it's shiny first. And then we're gonna bring it all downstairs and start assembling it. We'll show you guys the motor and then start assembling it. Here's WPL, by the way, looking good. Got some parts ordered in the mail for this thing to make this thing awesome. Getting a light kit, so the light bar on the top so you can go driving at night. And we're getting fast eddy bearings because I've noticed that these bearings have worn out over time. So those are wobbly. These dry shaft bearings, and these ones are rubber sealed, and I think there might even be ceramic. So that's gonna be awesome. I can't wait for that. I got 10 of those, so it'll last forever. It's $10 to buy them, so might as well. Same price as the other ones. But yeah, guys, take all this stuff, put it downstairs, and we'll WD-40 it, and then put it downstairs and put it back together. Alright, guys, so just sprayed everything down, all the plastics and everything. Let me turn on the light. They're nice and shiny now. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this settle, let the WD soak into the plastics overnight. It's late and I gotta take a shower. It's like almost 9 o'clock and it's a school night, so yeah, not a big deal because I'm not going to school tomorrow because of cohort stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna call it a night for today. I did not do the front arms since they're metal, but I did everything else, sprayed it down with a little bit of WD, kind of like a fine mist. But I'm just gonna let it soak in and then just deal with it tomorrow. Should be nice, should be a little shiny. and this should strengthen the plastics I've seen. Like what it does is it just makes it a little more flexible, especially when winter coming. You might want to do this here and there, so that your plastics will flex instead of break. Because plastic becomes more brittle in the winter. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow or some other day when I pick this up. Oh, almost forgot about these things. Haha. Much better. Alright guys, let's see if we can do this. 3, 2, 1. And just like that guys, there you go. Got all the arms on, it was pretty easy. Looking really clean. Back here is a little dirty still, but other than that, everything is great. The arms look fine. Put some new hexes on here with some new pins for now. That's what I'm just gonna do because I have a million of these parts lying around. So yeah, fuel tank's on, looking nice and minty. The linkages for the brakes hooked up. Just gotta wait until my motor. I put a new motor in here, or a rebuilt one. I forgot to put this on. This is for the air filter to hold it in place because I've had issues before my air filter has gotten knocked off. So this holds it on nice. Yeah. But looking good. Almost done. We're gonna put the wheels on and then put this on the corner, on the shelf in the garage, and wait until I can put a new motor in there. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.